Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add virtual background on the Zoom meeting application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a virtual meeting on my Zoom meeting application, and I'm going to show you how we can add virtual background. First thing first, you can click on this little arrow on the video menu, and then you are going to go to the adjust background and above. Okay, and then here we'll be able to choose virtual backgrounds, which has been available in Zoom meeting, and I'm just going to use one of them. But if you want to add custom background from your device, you can click on this plus button and click on add image or add video, and you can choose background from your device that you want to use. And I'm just going to use the background from Zoom. For instance, I'm going to choose this one guys. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that the virtual background has been added. Okay, and I'm going to turn on my camera. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add virtual background on Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.